afternoon. I'm Dr. Shelly Severns. I'm a chiropractor in O'Fallon, Illinois. I am on the CPEP program, and I highly recommend it. I am here today to take a class with Dr. Weiniger on posture. You can fine-tune what you have learned and you can progress. This class teaches not only me, but I can teach all my patients and my family and all my loved ones how to have good posture, how to keep moving in life, and how to enjoy life as we get older. The idea is that most people in today's society sit on computers, they work on Game Boys, they're texting all the time, and they are in a folded posture. This is not the way that we want our society to be. We need to be upright as human beings and have good posture. When we have bad posture, we tend to get diseases more often, we tend to have poor health, and we don't live as well. When I am 80, I want to be able to enjoy my life, and I want to be able to have a strong posture and be able to get down on the floor and play with my grandchildren. It's all about health. It's important, and posture is definitely key to this. It's a wonderful class, and it's a great vision. This is going to be our niche, and this is the way of healthcare in the future.